Feeling overwhelmed by the clutter in your home? Does the idea of decluttering seem impossible, like a mountain you can't climb? Well, what if I told you there's a simple, efficient method that can help you cut through the chaos in no time? Today, I am going to introduce you to the 10-10-10 method, a powerful and easy to use technique that will not only declutter your space but also change how you look at organization forever. Let's dive in and get your home back in order with just 30 minutes of your time. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might need a little decluttering in their lives, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more practical tips and life hacks. What is the 10-10-10 method? So, what exactly is this magical 10-10-10 method? It's a simple, 3-step system designed to help you make progress without feeling overwhelmed. You don't need any fancy tools, just a little bit of time and a willingness to let go of what you no longer need. Here's how it works. You'll make 3 categories: 10 items to keep, 10 items to donate or sell, and 10 items to throw away. That's it. In every decluttering session, you are making decisions on 30 items in total, which means in just half an hour, you'll have already created more space and clarity in your home. Why the 10-10-10 method works? Now, you might be wondering, why does this method work so well? The secret lies in its simplicity. Unlike massive decluttering projects that might take hours or even days, the 10-10-10 method is quick, manageable, and incredibly effective. Breaking the process down into bite-sized steps means you can declutter without stress or exhaustion. It also forces you to be intentional with each item. Whether you are choosing to keep, donate, or toss, you are training your brain to think more critically about what truly adds value to your life. Plus, 10 items per category is just the right amount. It's not too overwhelming, but it's enough to make a noticeable impact, giving you that sense of accomplishment every time. How to start using the 10-10-10 method? Okay, now that you know what the 10-10-10 method is, let's talk about how you can start using it today. Grab 3 boxes or bags and label them keep, donate or sell, and trash. Then, choose one area of your home that you'd like to tackle. It could be your living room, kitchen, bedroom, or even a drawer that's become a black hole of stuff. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Pick 10 items you want to keep. These are things you still use, love, or that have significant meaning for you. Be intentional and thoughtful here. 2. Set the timer again for another 10 minutes. Pick 10 items to donate or sell. These are items in good condition that someone else could use, but that no longer serve a purpose for you. Think of clothing that doesn't fit, books you've already read, or kitchen gadgets you never use. 3. And finally, another 10 minutes for the last step. Pick 10 items to throw away. This is for things that are broken, outdated, or just plain junk. It could be expired pantry items, old paperwork, or damaged furniture. Tackling different spaces. One of the best things about the 10-10-10 method is its flexibility. You can use it in any room, for any type of clutter. Here are a few ideas to help you declutter specific spaces. The bedroom. Start with your closet. Pick 10 pieces of clothing to keep, 10 to donate, and 10 that are beyond repair or use. Repeat the process for shoes, accessories, and even your bedside table. The kitchen. Focus on countertops and cabinets. Pick 10 items you use frequently and need to keep, 10 that you haven't touched in years but are still in good condition, and 10 that are broken, chipped, or expired. The living room. Go through books, decor items, and electronics. Keep the things that make you happy or are functional, donate items that no longer match your style, and throw away anything broken or outdated. The garage or basement. Tackle tools, old sports equipment, and forgotten boxes. You'll be amazed at how much space you can create with just 30 items. Maintaining your clutter-free home. Now that you've used the 10-10-10 method to declutter one or more areas of your home, how do you keep it that way? Consistency is key. Decluttering doesn't have to be a one-time event. You can use the 10-10-10 method regularly, maybe once a week or once a month, to keep things under control. Another great idea is to use the 1 in, 1 out rule. Anytime you bring something new into your home, let go of something you no longer need. This helps maintain balance and prevents clutter from piling up again. Emotional benefits of decluttering. And let's not forget about the emotional benefits of decluttering. Clearing out your physical space can help reduce stress, anxiety, and even improve your focus. When you declutter, you're not just organizing your home, you are creating a more peaceful, harmonious environment that allows you to relax and think more clearly. The 10-10-10 method gives you the power to declutter without overwhelm, while helping you make decisions that feel intentional and aligned with your values. Encouragement to start now. So, are you ready to take control of your space and transform your home with the 10-10-10 method? It doesn't matter how cluttered your home is or how busy you are, everyone can spare 30 minutes for a decluttering session. Start today, and you'll see just how much lighter and more organized your space can become. If you found this method helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips on decluttering, organizing, and simplifying your life. And if you've already tried the 10-10-10 method, leave a comment below to let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.